What's up and welcome back to my channel. So right now we are in the car and we're on the way to Myrtle Beach because we are going to Pirates Voyage and I'm so excited. And we are going for Kayla's birthday because her birthday is tomorrow. So this is Kayla's official last day being a teenager.
Oh my gosh, can't believe it.
How does it feel, Kayla?
Feels old.
She feels old.
I feel old.
She's not really that old, but whatever. Anyways, I'm feeling much better today. I am a little stuffy, and I do sound really bad because whenever I get a cold or something, or like even sinuses, my throat starts to sound really weird, and I don't know. If you're new here, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Voyage, we made it. It was quite a trip. My legs are hurting so bad, but we're here. I'm so excited. Aiden's excited, and I think everybody's excited. Kayla,
What?
You excited?
Yes, I am.
She's very excited. Mom's excited too. Dad's excited. Everybody's excited.
I love this place.
I know, we love it. So we're gonna go ahead and go up there, and you have my phone, right?
I got your phone.
Okay, she has my phone.
Let's go get our tickets.
Right now we are outside. Aiden and Dad are inside. We got our tickets and they're inside. It's cold inside, but Kayla wanted to take a picture. Not outside, but inside. It's frozen. But Kayla wanted to take a picture, so came outside and she's gonna take a picture on I think this door right here. And I'm gonna take a picture. I want to take a picture over here because there's this like pretty gazebo right here. And it's got like a bunch of pirate stuff on it, like pirate benches and stuff. So I want to do that. And around that corner right there, there are seals. And after the show, we're gonna go look at those because after this show, they always put these seals back in a pool, and they just like hang out in there and play in there. And it's so cute because they're all playing together. But Kayla just got her picture taken by Mom, photographer by Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Bye, Mom. But anyways,
and I'm gonna take a picture of you too.
She's our photographer. And are you gonna take my picture?
Yes, we'll go take your picture now.
We're gonna take my picture right now.
So
I know we are.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
So we are outside. Obviously, Bryleigh's already said that. I mean, you obviously see we're
and
outside.
do it where you can get the back.
Bryleigh's going to be doing a boomerang, so behind the scenes, baby.
No, too far because the sign's way over there.
We're trying to get the sign in it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Cute.
You get it?
We'll see how that looks. Look good?
Can't tell where we are, but it's okay.
You can't see it on the phone. Okay, we're walking in now.
What's Mimi getting?
I don't know.
She's getting a glitter tattoo. Oh yeah, pretty. I know, that's what I said after we dolphin. What color are you gonna get? Blue? That'd be pretty. And I'm trying to look over here at her. I'm sorry, I'm not right in the head. Okay, let me see it. So pretty, and you're all sparkly everywhere.
Can't get it off.
Well, the show's starting, guys. So you want to go?
It comes with all the things.
I know. Well, let's go upstairs so we can watch the show. It's starting. Come on, this way.
Let's go.
It won't come off.
Start walking. You can go to the bathroom upstairs and we'll rinse it off. So are you ready to see some seals?
Yeah.
They're gonna be super cute.
It's got glitter, but
Well, it's not as bad because you really had it like all over you. It's a lot better now.
still have them.
True.
Okay, so me and Kayla just got, like, I'm guessing, like, it's basically a slushie. And Kayla got strawberry. I got blue raspberry. I got a cherry on top. I don't think Kayla got one.
No, not special.
Yeah, but Kayla, she tried mine and was like, oh my gosh, I should have gotten that one. Hers is like kind of, like, I wouldn't say like bitter, but hers is kind of bitter more than mine. Mine's like
Bryleigh's
really
is
sweet.
So good. It almost tastes like lemonade.
Yeah, mine's like really sweet.
I think it has a taste of coconut in it though.
Yeah, but it's good
But
too.
it's great.
good.
Like mine's good. It's sweet, but it's
not
got a little bit of bitterness to it.
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Okay, so we are in and we are waiting for it to begin, and I'm hoping they move these sticks right here because I can't see nothing. Kayla can't either.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put some light on my face. So yeah, we're just kind of hoping they move the stuff because we have a drink view.
Yeah, it's in the room right now.
What?
Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola, tea, coffee, and water.
Dr. Pepper. You say Dr. Pepper?
Coca-Cola, tea, water, and coffee.
Where's the menu? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, but we're on the blue side, so. Okay, so the show just ended, and we're outside now, and there's this like giant purple light right here, and it's making it look really pretty. But I got salty, and I'm so excited because every year we come, I've always told myself, I'm like, one year I'm gonna get salty, and I finally did. They had a bigger one, but I wanted this one because it had a shirt and a little pirate hat. He's so cute. I'm excited. I love him. He's so cute. He's one of my favorite people characters in there. I couldn't think of the word. Thank you. But anyways, now we're gonna go and look at the seals because I told you before there's like a little pool, and we're gonna go see salty.
If they're still outside.
If they're still outside.
They might have already taken them in.
Yeah, I don't know. But
I
we're
hope I
gonna
have
go
my
look and
sunglasses
see.
in this bag. My birthday is officially in
Less than an hour and a half.
Less than an hour and a half, and I'm going to be 20. Okay, let's go look at the seals if they're here.
Okay, so now it's time for a room tour. Any hotel we go to, we have to do a room tour. So Mama likes the floors. Start off with that.
Yes, they're nice.
Mama likes those. And first, when you walk in the door, you have the bathroom. So I guess start with the bathroom. So we have some free chicken tenders. Check it out from earlier. Aiden had chicken tenders. Anyways, we have our sink with a giant crack in it.
There is a crack in it.
Anyways,
Oh well.
we have our toilet. We have our shower.
Shower. Typical shower.
I thought you said tickle shower.
Typical.
We have our hair dryer. Kayla thought it said laundry. And then when you walk out here, you got a ginormous mirror to check your outfits. Okay. Anyways, then next over here, watch out. We have an Aiden. Next over here,
We do have an aid.
our
Your little bench.
suitcase. We have the bench. Then we have my suitcase, our shoes. Mama, no, it's not salty. No, all these. Anyways, and then over here we have one bed, table, phone. Let's call some people. Then we have another bed. Then we have TV. Mini fridge. Microwave. Got me just call for a minute. Then we have this desk where Mama's gonna edit.
No.
Yeah, we didn't bring the computer to edit, so we would edit this vlog. But anyways, then we have a mirror, a lamp. Is that a coffee machine?
That is a baby one, yeah, to make like
It's
one
so
cup.
tiny.
I
And then we
know.
have our Pop-Tarts chicken. It's not Pop-Tarts. I don't even know what that is. Aiden got a Pop-Tarts. He got Pop-Tarts. That's it.
We need to do a hotel tour.
Then we have this thing of that freezes so cold. And then we have a couch. And I guarantee you me and Aiden probably gonna jump from bed to bed pretending like he's those pirates.
So that's the room.
So that's the room. So that is it for today's video.
Okay, so guys, you totally missed it. The fire alarms were just going off.
Like, my heart's beating so fast, like,
I know. And then we called downstairs.
We were on the line, and Kayla called downstairs, and they were like, they don't know what's happening. Just be on the safe side, evacuate. So we grabbed our things. Oh my God, that's Cheez.
Get
The
them.
front desk said to evacuate. She said
come downstairs.
they said they're not sure what's going on. They said I would go downstairs because she was like, "What should we do? Should we evacuate?" And she said the main lady said, "Yeah, they need to go downstairs." So I'm going downstairs. I'm not staying up
You
here.
call downstairs? You good? All right.
Are you
Call back
sure?
downstairs.
Call again. Call again. Come on.
If she just said evacuate, then why are we staying?
Oh my gosh, what a mess. Okay. Okay, so all the fire alarms went off, but they turned off and we called downstairs. They said evacuate. And now they're saying, I guess we're okay.
I mean, they were going off all downstairs too because it was like in her. She's like, I don't know what to do. She said, she was like, she was asking me. She said, should they evacuate? She said, we don't know what's going on. She said, yeah, tell everyone to start coming downstairs.
Where's my band?
What was it?
What triggered it?
Somebody probably was running around pulling it.
Whatever. You think so?
Probably.
Yeah, they probably pulled it and pulled it.
Is there a fire alarm you can pull?
Probably.
I don't know.
You gotta have one accessible to a
I'm
thing.
scared. I don't want to stay here.
You gotta have one accessible.
Why did you stay here? Why were you? I'm being honest. I don't want to stay here.
Why would you make us always an adventure wherever we go. This weekend has not been our week. I mean, yesterday was everything went bad yesterday, and now it's following us into today.
Okay, maybe we should just go home.
Mom,
No.
I'm just shaking. Like, my legs are legit.
Oh my gosh, that was like nerve-wracking. Okay, I just ended a lively, and now it's a false alarm, so we're going back live.
What?
We
You
had
paid for this room though.
like the whole.
They're not giving you money back.
We had like all
I had like the
our
whole
plans.
day planned already.
Mom,
And
I'm scared. I don't want to stay here.
Calm down.
that scared me. Okay, I'm gonna go walk. Come on, bro.
I'm not going. No.
So I'm gonna walk by myself.
Don't make her go by herself.
Mama.
Come on, guys. What's that smell?
Oh gosh.
Do you smell something? It almost feels hot. It was not this hot up here.
Everybody in.
I want to go. I don't want to stay here. Best friend, come. When your alarm goes off, you don't ever stay here.
Calm down.
Oh my god.
We're gonna.
Stop.
I'm about to go to sleep in the car somewhere else. I'm not staying here. Guys,
That was scary.
Mom, and
I've never had that happen.
I've never had that.
Never in my life. I mean, we just.
At the
My
camera.
lively probably is freaking out. I'm like.
No, everybody.
I'm like, everyone's
Kayla
like,
said,
what's
take it.
happening? Oh my gosh,
Everybody
go
was saying-
downstairs. Are you okay? Please be careful. And
I
I'm
know everybody was on there. And they
Could
were
they
like, "What's
hear
happening?"
it?
I was trying to dip my shoes up, and I was like about to fall over. I was like, guys, I said their alarm's going off.
I'm like, Bryleigh, take on my phone. I'm trying to call the
And I
front
was telling everybody, and I was
Okay,
telling
I'm
everybody,
going back
they were
live.
like, what happened? I was like,
that fun?
I was like, the fire alarm's going off. They said evacuation. We're going downstairs, and everybody said, oh my God, what's wrong? Like, I don't want to stay here.
No,
I'm so
wait a minute before you do that. Hold on.
scared.
Hold on.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're at a different hotel because we got a story for you. So, as you guys saw, we said the alarms had gone off,
True.
and they went off for like 10 minutes. And while we were there, so everybody came out of the hallway, and everybody was like, Mom and Dad went out like was opening the door, seeing like everything was okay. Well, Kayla had started a live because everybody wanted us to go live because last year we went live for like at midnight so then we could sing on there, so we were going to do that. Well, we were on live and all of a sudden this loud blare just starts blaring. And
We really thought there was a fire going on just because it was like, it wasn't
Well,
just
the
like
fire department was there.
The fire department showed up. It wasn't like a beep, and like that was it. So it just kept going on. I called the front desk. They're all frantic, freaking out, and I'm like, should we evacuate? Because no one was saying like evacuate nothing. And she says, yeah, y'all need to come downstairs.
then the people down the hall said, well, we just called the front desk and they said false alarm.
But it went off 2 more times.
But then it went off 2 more times. It went off when we were upstairs, so then we're like, no, we're leaving. So we got our stuff on, we went downstairs, and then we were downstairs, the fire department was there, and then when we went downstairs, it started going off again. Mom said, yeah, we're leaving.
So we just
Aiden was freaking out, I was freaking out, Kayla I think was freaking out. But anyways, now we found another hotel, and now we're gonna give you another hotel room tour. Okay, so here we go, room tour, take 2. First, when you walk in the door, we have the bathroom. Ew, it's wet.
And I would love to say that this hotel is a lot nicer than our last one.
Yes.
So we have a box of tissues, which I'm thankful for because I'm sick right now. And yeah, sink, shower,
Normal bathroom stuff.
Yes, typical
towels. What
bathroom.
is that?
Blow dryer.
That's the weirdest blow dryer.
She didn't know that was a blow dryer. Wow.
Anyways, so
I like these floors too.
yeah,
FYI.
she likes us too. And then we actually have a drawer. The other one I thought was broken because it had a mirror on it and it wouldn't open.
But it was kind of hard to
It
open.
was hard to open, but this one, easy to open.
Closet.
Closet, all that stuff.
I like the full-length mirror over there.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
they have a full-length mirror, which is way better than the other one. The other one was like had like a giant slit in the middle of it. But anyways, then we have this desk with a stool under there.
So you could sit and work or get ready.
Okay, so we have the TV stand with TV, and then over here we have our mini fridge, microwave, coffee stuff. Does that pull it out?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's
Try it.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's cool. We get amazed with those little stuff.
Yeah, we do.
And then when you open this one, it has some storage compartments, which is really good and handy. And then we have the first bed.
Which is mom and dad.
I like the headboards on these.
Oh yeah, these are
Yeah, oh
cute.
yeah, these are cute. I like these. And then we have Kayla, mine, and Aiden's probably who's Aiden sleeping with? He's gonna
Us.
sleep on the floor.
I'm sure he'll sleep with us.
Aiden's gonna sleep over there. So me and Kayla's bed. And then
I
over here,
like this. That's really cool.
they have
Oh, a writing area.
A writing area.
That's cute.
And then guys, I like this because there's one with a key, but then there's some that are just like for your charger, but you don't have to have a key, which is
And
really
this
cool.
little thing, whatever this is, oh,
It's
your
a
alarm
clock.
clock has plugs too. Perfect.
Oh, and USB
Ooh,
little
I
things.
love
It's
these
cool.
lights.
Yeah.
I
But
like
the best part of this room is the view.
Yes.
Look at the view.
Oh, and there's a desk
First,
over here.
There's a desk over here. And
With
then
another
this chair.
mirror.
This is what we need for home.
Yeah, I really need a desk chair, guys.
Anyways,
Just
ooh, I like
True.
this. There's a plug over here too. I like this one too.
And a mirror.
We need to turn off the lights so you guys can really see it. So here is the view. Oh my gosh, that scared me, Mama.
I saw it.
Oh, it's a giant bug. It scared me. It's a bug on the glass. Over there is the Ferris wheel. It is really pretty at night when it's
I
lit
know.
up.
Let me see if I can zoom in.
It went off.
It's right
Well, guys,
there.
it's 1 a.m.
It is almost 1 a.m.
Yeah, there's a
Probably
Ferris
why.
wheel.
But
There's Wonderworks.
Riley's, wait, no, Ripley. I said Riley's. Ripley's aquarium is really pretty. And Margaritaville has some lights, which is really cool. And then we have a pool view.
And then Margaritaville's right there.
And we have kind of like a half pool view. Mama,
We
what
have a
rocket
little pool
ship
view.
is that?
I don't know. But this is the view. It's so pretty. Way better than the last one that was a parking lot.
I know.
So yeah, upgrade.
Yeah. Question of the day is, have you ever been to Pirates Voyage? And if so, what team were you on? We were on, and yes, we have been, and we were on Sapphire?
Yes.
Is that their name? We were on Sapphire, we were blue. We've always been on their team. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!